Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see the title, words to use instead of saying very. For example, very beautiful. You can use the word gorgeous, superb, outstanding. So stop saying very and use these kinds of words. For example, very good. If someone or something is more than just good, you have to use these words. Amazing, excellent, outstanding, superb, or very similar. Instead of using very same or very similar to express your feeling of exact same situation, substitute one of these words. So, exact, identical, particular, precise. If something is very bad, so the word bad is not sufficient to convey just how not good something really is. One of these other ways to say very bad just might get the point across. For example, poor, horrible, terrible. For very beautiful, you have a lots of words. Admirable, adorable, appealing, charming, classy, cute, dazzling, delicate, delightful, elegant, excellent, fascinating, good looking, gorgeous, graceful, handsome, marvelous, mesmeric, nice, pleasing, pretty, splendid, stunning, superb, wonderful, and so on. We have other words like very good, splendid, great, excellent, wonderful. For very cute, we have adorable, admirable, lovely. If you are very tired, you can use the word exhausted, sleepy, distressed. If something is very necessary, it's mean essential, required, very important, vital, significant. For very simple things, you can use the word basic, very special, exceptional, very accurate, exact, precise, very clear, obvious, crystal clear, very hungry, starving. If something is very big, you can use the word giant, immense, massive, enormous, huge. Very colorful, vibrant. If you are very excited, you can use the word thrilled. So I hope you will like my videos and subscribe it for more videos. Thank you so much.